Welcome everybody to Molson Alberta Box Breaks. Today we're opening up a package of 2012-13 artifacts. I'd like to thank everybody for bidding. Quick payments too, which was really good. I'm going to bring up the final bid here, which was the Edmonton Oilers. $17. Ended on the 23rd. I'm going to show you guys current eBay time. Just going to refresh the screen here. Current time, 11:38 Pacific, 12:38 Mountain. We're going to go back here. I'm going to show you guys the description here, the box serial number. I'm going to bring it up to you. So we have 189556078. Put that back here. Here's the box. Good old Crosby. Model number 189556078. So I'm going to keep the box in front of you guys here. I'm going to bring this back. Go to the main screen here. Show you guys that. Bring the box back just a little bit. I also have the list of the winners. So we'll bring this up quickly. Make sure your name's on here. Lots of bids. It was nice to see that. Bring it down one more time. Okay, box is still there. Box is all sealed. Okay guys, let's get on with the break. Just a reminder too, we're going to be opening up some contenders, so look for that auction, guys. Nice Panini product, we're actually really happy with it. Count out the packs for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll put them right here. Empty box. Okay, you guys. Package number 1. Card for the Flyers. Lindros, base card. Base card, Doan. Oh, got a nice patch. Jersey combo. It's 3/75. You guys can see that. Not really. Let's try that again. Hold on, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, well, it's 3/75. Columbus Blue Jackets, Mason Raymond, nice looking patch, and jersey. So we're going to put that. We got base. We have base. There. I'm just going to use the scissors here. I don't want to wreck the cards here, guys. There we go. Okay, we got a base. Oh, Rookie Redemption. Edmonton Oilers. Red 209. Don't know who that's going to be yet, but it's a good chance. You guys got a good card there. So that's for the Oilers. Got a blank. Spacer, base, and another base. Nice couple hits so far, guys. Artifacts is actually a really nice product. Very happy with it. Okay, go to base. Got a rookie, Minnesota Wild, Tyler Kuma. That's 424 of 999. Nice looking card. So we'll put that there. Spacer. Base. And another base. Okay, base card. Got a base card. Looks like we have a parallel. Kari Lehtinen, Dallas, number 224 of 999. Hit for Dallas there. Just a spacer, sorry guys. And another base. Okay, we got a base, another base. Got a rookie, UC Reynes. It's number 137 of 999. Hit for Toronto. Just turn the card around here. Take a look. Nice looking cards, guys. Very nice. Got a spacer and a base. This is pack number 5. Okay, start off with the base. Another base. Artifacts 3. Autograph Rookie Redemption. This is a Rookie Redemption card, reserved for 1. Trading card will be made in your name. Submit your request. So what we'll do with this, guys, is we'll have a random between all 30 teams, since it doesn't say anything denoting any team or anything. So that's going to be pretty lucky for whoever gets this, guys. Spacer. And base. Also, we're doing the Rick Nash card. We're going to be auctioning that off at the end too, for all 30 teams that put a bid in there. Nice little hit for whoever grabs it. So that'll be nice. A little thank you for starting off with us, and we're going to have much more like we said. Okay, another base. We have a jersey, 2-patch jersey, or sorry, 2 jersey. It's colored yellow and white. It's number 74 of 125, Derek Roy of the Buffalo Sabres. Nice little hit for Buffalo. Looking good, Buffalo. Spacer. And a base. Just a reminder too, guys, we're just doing the hits. Some people actually paid a little more for the shipping there, so we're going to send out the base cards for them. Please, if you guys just keep in touch with us, and we're pretty friendly, and we hope to do a lot of break with you guys here. We got another base here. We have a parallel card of Steve Ott, Dallas Stars. It's number 73 of 99. Emerald parallel. Nice looking card, guys. Spacer. Base. And a base. Okay, we got 2 packs left. Hopefully we get a nice little hit in here, guys. Okay, we have a base. Looks like we have a numbered parallel. It's Toronto Maple Leafs. Curtis Joseph. It's number 593 of 999. Nice little card. Cujo. Spacer. Base. And a Shanahan base. Last card, guys. Or last package, sorry. Hopefully we have something in here. Be nice. Nice little hit at the end. Something thick in here. Base. Oh, wow. Tundra Trios. Dylan Olsen, Erica Branson, Ryan Ellis. 3-patch Tundra Trios. We'll flip it around here. We got Team Canada. We'll bring up the players here. We'll see what teams are on here, and we'll do a break between all three players. I think Ellis is Nashville, Gabranson, I believe, is Florida. And I don't know where Dylan Olsen is, so we're going to look it up, and we will do a random between those three teams. And the winner will get it. A few randoms here. Spacer. And a base. Okay, so let's get back at this here. What we're going to do is we got the trios. We have the rookie redemption for all 30 teams, and then we also have the Rick Nash card. So here's the Nash card too, guys. So we're going to do a auction for that on all 30 teams. What we'll do, I guess, first is we'll bring up the computer here. I already have it kind of set up here, so that'll be good. Let's get the computer in here. We can see that. Awesome. Okay. So we have all 30 teams here. Anaheim, all the way down to Winnipeg Jets. So what we're going to do is we're going to random off first the Artifacts 3, Rookie Redemption. So whoever gets that on the third randomize will receive this in the mail. So we're going to hit it once. Minnesota Wild. We're going to hit it again. Chicago Blackhawks. And last time, Washington Capitals will receive this. As you can see, it's been listed 3 times. We'll just bring this up again. 3 times. And the Washington Capitals, number 1. So we're going to bring that back here. Somebody's trying to phone me. So we're going to go back. Okay. So we got this again. We're going to do this again for the Rick Nash card. We're going to round the list 3 times. And we're going to see who gets it. We're going to randomize once. Phoenix Coyotes. Twice. Los Angeles Kings. 3rd time. Montreal Canadiens. Gets the Nasher card. Good for you, Montreal. I'll just show you guys it was done 3 times. 3 times. So Montreal gets the Nash card. Washington gets the Artifacts. Put that there. Okay. So now we have the Tundra Trios. Ryan Ellis, Gabranson, Dylan Olsen. So I'm just going to look up quick here since I'm not smart enough to know where Dylan Olsen is playing. Let's do Hockey DB. Olsen, Chicago Blackhawks. Okay. So we're going to do a random between the Blackhawks. We'll just triple check all the players here, just in case. I'm pretty sure Alice plays for Nash, but I've been mistaken. Nashville Predators, Ryan Ellis. And then we'll type in Erica Branson, who's got a horrible last name. And yeah, Florida. Okay. So we're doing Florida, Nashville, and the Blackhawks. So we're going to do Hawks, Preds, oops, sorry guys, Hawks, Preds, and Panthers. Oh, I did it again. Let's do that. And we're going to put them down twice here, guys. Okay, Hawks, Preds, Panthers. Hawks, Preds, Panthers. We're going to random this 3 times. We'll see who gets it. There's 1, Panthers. 2, Panthers again. 3, Hawks. Blackhawks. We'll be getting this. I'd like to thank everybody for being involved with this. It was awesome. Just a reminder that we're going to have some more breaks. We're going to be doing, I'll show you guys the box actually. We've got some Panini Contenders. It's actually a really nice product. And thanks again. And your cards will be shipped out probably sometime today or tomorrow. Thank you guys.